First version of the presentable dashboard is ready. This is what it looks like. This is the dashboard testing account, so it only has a little bit of data. Let's go to a musician. So this is its eyes dashboard. So up here we've got total sessions and unique users, and it compares past 30 days compared to the previous 30 days and tells you whether it's up or down. You can see how many sessions you've had all time, in the past year, in the past month, and I need to fix this bar, in the past week. Number of which intents were used. So here its eye has only had one intent of where can I find your music and one intent of play a song. This is a plot of how long sessions are. So he's had 3 sessions since our new data collection has been released for its eye. And this is the histogram of them. We don't have data to fill this map yet, but when we do, it'll show where people are using their skill from, and so they can kind of see where their fan base is. And over here, we also don't have the data for this yet, but it'll show them the top methods of where people find out about their skills. So we'll have some method of finding that out, whether it be clicks of a link sent to their Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and whatnot. Now let's see one other musician's data. So let's take a look at Malvi Moves. So it's similar since we don't have the data hasn't been out for too long, but you can see this usage plot looks different. No sessions in the past week. Yep. There it is.